Hello and welcome to Little Antique Me. That's me, or Emily from the Corpse Bride. I am so excited about today's craft or treat. Today is treat, last week was craft. I'll leave the link below for that one. And today we are making swamp Krispies. My daughter came up with the recipe and we thought we'd give it a try. She saw my Cocoa Krispies in the cabinet and said, "Hey Mom, can we make Rice Krispies out of those?" And I said, "Sure, why not?" So here's our recipe. I hope you enjoy them. Let's get going. For this delicious recipe, you're gonna need 6 cups of marshmallows, 6 cups of Cocoa Krispies, optional eyeball candy, and 6 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna start by turning on the heat on medium and using a large saucepan, we're gonna melt that butter. Go ahead and stir it around to get it nice and melted. Next, we're going to mix in the marshmallows and stir until those are melted. Once the marshmallows are melted, go ahead and add your Cocoa Krispies and mix well. Pour into a greased 9x13 pan and add the eyeball candies if desired. Next, I use my hands to gently press the Cocoa Krispies into the pan. And then we also flipped over those eyeballs that were upside down and spread them out if needed. Let it cool completely, either on the counter or I chose to put it in my fridge. Cut into the squares and enjoy. Very good. I love Rice Krispies. This one's delicious because it's chocolatey. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you'll try it for a party or just for fun. We enjoyed making it for you all. I hope you stay tuned on Monday to see how I create this look inspired by Emily from the Corpse Bride. And also I hope you have a wonderful weekend. May God bless you and keep you this weekend, and I will see you very soon. Bye! Have a wonderful week. Have a